You see, as a Jamaican, right now, I rather go out the road to work with white people than work with some of my own Jamaican.
Yo, that's a word of advice.
Huh. About Subi is a low big in shit here, there's a new big.
Welcome to Kl&p TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit
Let's
the bell.
celebrate greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, my kings and queen line and line. Let's speak up on yourself, all the love and blessings, you know. Yeah, man, we say give thanks to life, every time, strength, give thanks to another day, give thanks to the rising, you know. Yes, man, I say big up all of the Arsenal fans, you know what I mean? Don't give up our faith. We're still in it to win it. See it?
Murderation. Done them in front the nation and station.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Coming up in this episode, I don't know, Bounty Killer, Murderation, responded. Bounty Killer stick to him word and said, yo, after Valentine's Day, he might drop him answer to Mr. Vegas. See, which he did. So, I don't know, I'm going to run through that one there. You see me?
Crime scene investigation. Them walking on the truck.
I look a snippet. See, I'm going to get a full review still, you know, but I'm going to get a little snippet right now. You see me, I say? I'm not like Bounty went all out. Lyrically, Jesus, peace, melody, style, flow. Yeah, man. Everything on it, man. You see it? So big up all of the Killer fans. Why I tell you, come like say Killer back in our race. Killer late. When you come up, me know in that comment section.
Come and talk about run up, me done up, me gun up. So be the wheel get gunshot in.
Yeah, so our voice note for play where a Jamaican, one of our fellow Jamaican, a cuss Jamaicans. You see him? We can let me decide how to think about that.
Race out the clip till me hand back. One up one, you skill and name for your sales get turn up.
You know what I mean? We also have another brother who are burn up Yaksta shirt. I don't know if this is a stunt or a real thing I'm going, but you know what I mean? I say I want to comment in the comment section and thing, man. You see it? Big up yourself, White Shadow. I know me, I say gratitude is a must. I'm here the man of peace. You see it? Yeah, man. We are forward.
I watch them on the German represent for Kl&p TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Kl&p Patriots out there.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Yes, man. Jamil, big up yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell. Zine. Yeah, man, I know we keep it real on the battlefield over here, so. You get to me some viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. All the love and blessings, man. And to the youths, them, we say stop the crime in Jamaica. See? Yeah, man. So first and foremost, we're gonna show the video with the brother where I burn up Yaksta shirt. See? So watch what I go.
Yo, that's a word of advice. It's more while when you see people with them problems and them struggles, you best leave them alone. But then figure it out on them own. It's one of the worst things in our life, ungratefulness. To the most of my enemies them, and some of my people them who me help out the most. So learn from that. Yeah, me know them say when you give you get blessings, but and every time you give you get blessings, more while you give you your blessings.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so not a good look, not a good look. You see me? When you know as me say, me don't know if this is a stunt or if he's an artist or a producer or somebody who paved the way for Yaksta go through the door, or you know, him lend Yaksta money or what, I don't know, but I saw this comment and this is what the comment said. Yaksta a good thief, for all who don't know. Pussy boy at official Yaksta. Send on the man money, bumbo clad. Hurry up and come to my city. We equipped up and ready for your ass. You see me? So basically, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know what kind of money dealings are what, but you're the person that say, yo, man, I'm back in money, and it look like some overseas business. You see me? We don't know what went down. Anybody have any clue, any information, please provide it in the comment section. Is it? So we can know what's the cause. If it's a real thing or if it's a stunt. And so I say, I don't know if this brother is an artist trying to get a breakthrough, or is a producer and pay Yaksta for a song, for record a song for him, or what. I don't know, but some money transaction go on. You see me? So as I say, anybody have any information can provide, please do so in the comment section. I don't know, it's a love and gratitude is a must, you know. You see me? Yes, man, gratitude is a very integral part of playing in our lives, gratitude and acknowledgement. You see me? Help people will help you, you see it? And don't forget the ones that will help you, you know what I mean? So, yeah, that's the thing there. No, the brother, the person, of course, Jamaicans.
You see, as a Jamaican, right now, I rather go out the road and work with the white people than work with some of my own Jamaican. I better white people disrespect me, the kind of disrespect and bumbuckler tear down when I get from my fellow Jamaicans. I mean, I start getting 8 bumbuckler Jamaican people, and me as a Jamaican myself, now. Just understand which part my mentality there, which part my thoughts them there. Right now, I start getting 8 bumbuckler Jamaican, and when I realize that a bumbuckler people got created on the earth, brother. And when I talk enough now, I like it, but here what happen? Because I youth believe in freedom of speech. No man boy can't tell me how to talk and what to say. You see me, I say? Yeah, man.
John, my viewers and subscribers, I tell you, right, some, I know some of them might feel disgusted and some of them might agree with him, some of them might not. But on a fair point, I understand where I come from. Your own fellow Jamaicans, we tear you down, set you up, you just, everything you try, them let you down. It's like me can relate because, as I said, 2018 was one of pivotal role here in my career, and yet still, the person who I met and trusted, kept it on video shoot, and then we decided to work. My investor now, gave them some money, the money that they offered, the money that they requested to do the work. They messed about and not now fulfill, be a drag feet, and enough things never get done, you know what I mean? And in that same year, people from out of the world, Germany, Belgium, come to Jamaica and met me and know me song before they met me, and then bring me to Belgium, and I don't know, big up Kl&p who brought me to Germany for my song. And I go to Germany, I see people are sing my song. Thousands of people are singing my Who Feels It Knows. Belgium, people are sing my stunt song. And I never know them things there. So when the white man they may look after you and treat you good, not saying every white man honest about. The one black brother them go around and try to bring you down, tear you down, rob you. And so I kind of understand where the brother you say and his frustration. But only can let me know, saying what you think in the comment section, if you don't agree with him or not. Now we are going to run through Killer, a little piece of Killer song, Murderation. See? Yeah man, and see, only can make me know who will lead if Killer take back the lead I was in. So yeah man, let's go.
Boys call bus truck when him go underage girl that get your tongue up. The boy love his socks and dimple them come up. Me gun up.
Hey, me not lying, I'm saying I forget that song in a proper review, Yeah man, cause Killer go hard, well delivered. The man say boy skull bus drag queen, him go hug up underage girl that get your tongue up. The boy I love socks, so you don't know, make him dimple them come up. Gun up. Yeah man.
The whole world know you a rat man. Don't call cartel name, cause a man say rise up the flame and aim pan the boy where you fish on to get them fame. Vincent Jane, Brooklyn, Bronx, Portmore, Spain. Rise up the thing with the panhandle sprain. Him gone back to school up a foreign, but 3 years say a man a game brain.
Yo, we're gonna give us a proper review when time we finish work. I'm not like that chapter clat. Bumbo clat. Yo, Killer said, don't, the whole world know you're a rad man. Don't call cartel name. The Gaza boss say rise up the thing. And with the flame and him. And the boy we are pirate fish we get fame. Vincent Chain, Brooklyn, Bronx, Portmore, Spain. So rise up the thing with the pan and sperm. When going to school of foreign, he says a man give him brain. Yo, we don't like videos. Yeah, we don't like Killer clap back. But who's a Killer later? Let me know that in the comment section. See? We're gonna end the vlog right here, so and then I'll review it properly. So make sure you like and share and subscribe and click the bell. See, I don't know where all this free and love and war now. See me? Big up Mr. B&ck. I want to see the clash. Let's see how quick Mr. B&ck is going to respond. Really? You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So we're going to review the song properly later. So big up on yourself. All the love and respect. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe, click the bell. I'm out. Not another word of time. I'm out.
You know no rifle, not a joke. But stroke how you gotta get stroke. But the job face of the star choose. No fanta tune. Baby sperm up in and shoot.
Thanks for watching Ungr&t TV.